Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, another review. So I'm back to review a new palette that I came across in Sephora. This day that I had, was browsing in Sephora. I didn't really know what I was in there for. I was just in Sephora. I came across her right here. And this is the Pretty Rich Too Faced eyeshadow palette. And in this palette, it comes with 16 Ultra Luxe shades from Vivid Glitters to Creamy Mattes. And also it says Opulent Shimmers and Precious Pearls. So you kind of have a full range of colors in this palette. When I say this eyeshadow palette is for beginners, it's for makeup lovers, it's for everybody. It really is, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So took it out the box. This is what it looks like, the actual palette. It is so pretty. Oh my god. So this is what she looks like. But before I open her, I'm going to show you this genius thing that Too Faced put in the box with the palette. So this is called a glamour guide, a guide to glamour. So inside of this little pamphlet is 4 different eye looks. Is it 4? Yes. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like on the front. When you open it up, it has several different eye looks that you can create. Strike It Rich, Pretty and Priceless, Fancy That, Sitting Pretty. So I think this was actually, and I don't know if other brands do this, but this is a great idea. One, because there are a lot of people in the makeup world who are actually just jumping into makeup and kind of trying to figure out, what's a good starter palette, what's a good, what good brushes are, blah, 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 blah. But this is what I think would be an ideal palette for everybody. People who are just starting out to people who are kind of getting old in this industry. So yeah, that was the box. This is the palette, and now I'm gonna open her. And she is so cute, for one, because she looks like a necklace jewelry box, which is so cute. It has little pendant on the tip of it, and when you open her, she has a mirror in her. I'm not gonna show you well, this is what she looks like, mirror. And then you have these colors right here. So, as the box said, it has 16 Vivid Glitters, Creamy Mattes, Opulent Shimmers, and Precious Pearls. So, this would be an example of the diamond, what is this? A Vivid Glitter here. I think both of these are matte. So you have 2 mattes here, and then you have your shimmer kind of precious pearl there. Wide range of colors, wide range of formulas, and I really, really love this. I'm going to test this palette out right now. I am going to do something pretty simple, mainly probably using these top colors, and then possibly dibbling in this darker burgundy-ish color, just to kind of get an idea of how everything works before I get in my creative. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed with concealer, and then I set my eyes with Laura Mercier powder, I then want to go in, let's see, I think I'm going to go in with Cashmere at the bottom, this color right here first, and see what that's talking about. I'm gonna place that right in my crease. Ooh, this is creamy. It's a very soft brown color. Very soft, but buildable. So as you can see, I'm kind of building that color a little bit. It's very, I can see what they mean by creamy. It's very, it goes on pretty well. I didn't have to layer it. I mean, I didn't have to add as much product, but it goes on pretty well. Like I really really like it. So after blending that brown color in, I'm going to go into, let's just go ahead and just go in with the darker one. We're gonna go in Oh That's Rich, which is like a burgundy shade. Ooh. It's like a burgundy shade. Can you see that? Can you see that? We're gonna go with that next. Nice. This is what it's looking like so far. I use two mattes. I'm already getting it a little dusty. But I use It's Cashmere. And then I went in the burgundy called, is it burgundy or is it brown? I don't know. I don't know if this is a brown or burgundy. But I went in this color right here. It looks burgundy on camera, but it looks kind of brown in person. So I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Filthy Rich, which is kind of like a bronzy, it's a bronzy color. I'm gonna go with that color first, and then I'm gonna put Diamonds for Breakfast on top of it. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna try not to use Fix Plus with it just to see how the shimmer goes on. So far it's not really much on my brush. So okay, so it's going on pretty faintly, I guess is the word. It's not really showing up well. So we're gonna use our Fix Plus, and I'm going to first slightly damp my brush and then go into that color and see if that helps. So I use that shade to kind of create a base for the glitter that I'm about to put on. I'm actually kind of nervous about it, but now, like I said, I'm gonna go into Diamonds for Breakfast. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go. So I'm gonna go in this shade next, and I am gonna try and attempt to use my finger. It says that, I think it said that on the thing, that it's best applied when you use your finger. Well, for all of these tutorials, it says to, or these things right here, the last step when adding the pressed glitter is to use your finger. So I'm guessing that that's the best way to apply it. So here goes nothing. Do a quick little swirl. Ooh. Wow. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Y'all, this is so pretty. I actually really like it, and I was nervous about using my finger because I don't know, I feel like when you use your finger you don't get the placement that you want, but I mean, I think I'm doing a pretty good job of applying it. That is so pretty. Oh my god. Do y'all see that? It is better to use your finger with pressed glitters. It really is. And if you have long nails, don't worry, because you can make this work. Just like I'm making it work. You just have to take your time with placement, and then you'll be good. So I am going to finish the rest of my face. I just kind of wanted to stop and check me out real quick. This is really cute. I don't normally, like, I'm just kind of getting into glitters and seeing how they work, like pressed glitters. Oh, now I'm making a mess. But I think I'm liking, I can probably just take this off the brush. But I'm liking it. I'm liking the finish of it, and I would suggest putting a more refined kind of shimmery eyeshadow underneath, just so that if the glitter does fall off your eye a little bit, which I don't know because I'm gonna take this off right after, but if you do experience a little bit of fallout, you will have that eyeshadow underneath to not make it look so missing. So let's get right to our face. So I do want to say that I absolutely love this palette, and I'm actually kind of feeling the groove of pressed glitters. I mainly wanted this palette for the pressed glitter because it was just so pretty, and I love all of the glitter colors that it comes with. What I was expecting, I don't know why, like in the store, these colors right here looked a little bit darker, like the matte browns, and right here looked a little bit darker than what I would have thought. But still pretty. I still like it. This is a really cute palette. I do recommend you all to go out to Sephora and grab it. I don't know, you know what, Ulta has Too Faced, so I would suggest going out to either one of those stores and purchasing this palette. It is a great beginner's palette, and it's also a great palette for my makeup artist who's been doing makeup for years. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and there'll be plenty more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.